Hi, the gig economy has become a popular way for people to work on their own terms. It offers flexibility and freedom that traditional 9-to-5 jobs can't match. In the gig economy, workers are independent contractors, freelancers, or self-employed individuals who work on short-term projects or gigs. Gig workers have the freedom to choose their own time, pick their own hours, and work with multiple clients at the same time. This allows them to have a more diverse and varied work experience, as well as the ability to earn more money and take up multiple gigs. The gig economy has also made it more easier for businesses to find workers quickly and efficiently. Companies can access a pool of talented individuals all over the world and hire them for short-term projects or long-term work. This is where Kominiti comes in, creating a space for businesses and freelancers to gain access to jobs and talent. Get started on www.kominiti.com.